Best glass cleaners ensure streak-free windshields, improving visibility, reducing glare, enhancing driving safety, and maintaining a clear, professional-looking vehicle appearance. My today's video is about top 5 best glass cleaners for spotless windshields that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting a generic 2PCS glass oil film remover. This glass cleaner stands out for its powerful yet gentle formula that effectively tackles stubborn contaminants like oil film, road grime, insect residue, and water stains. The emulsion blend, combined with mild abrasives and non-ionic surfactants, penetrates deeply without scratching or damaging the glass, restoring a crystal clear finish. One of its biggest advantages is the roll-on applicator, which makes the cleaning process quick and beginner-friendly. The included scrubbing board ensures even distribution, eliminating the need for excessive wiping or multiple tools. Beyond cleaning, it provides long-lasting protection by forming a barrier that reduces dirt buildup and minimizes fogging. This feature is especially useful for improving visibility during rainy, humid, or nighttime driving conditions. Its versatility adds great value, working equally well on car windows, mirrors, and even household glass surfaces like showers. The compact yet generous 100 milliliters capacity makes it convenient to store and reliable for repeated use, making it a practical, all-in-one glass care solution. Now our second product is generic Clear Vision Glass Cleaner. This glass cleaner delivers impressive performance with its fast-acting formula designed to eliminate stubborn oil film, grease, and road grime. It noticeably improves driving visibility by reducing glare and leaving the windshield crystal clear, especially beneficial during rainy or nighttime conditions. Its high-efficiency cleaning power ensures a streak-free finish without any residue, which is essential for maintaining a clean and distraction-free view. Unlike many cleaners that require repeated applications, this one works quickly and effectively in a single pass. A standout feature is its long-lasting protective layer that helps repel dirt and oil buildup. This means your windshield stays cleaner for longer, reducing the need for frequent cleaning and saving time. The built-in brush makes application extremely convenient. No extra tools required. Simply press, apply, and rinse for professional-level results in minutes. Its compact design also makes it easy to store in your car. Versatile and practical, it works on all glass surfaces, making it a reliable solution for both automotive and household use. Our third product is generic 3PC Upgrade 2.0 Clear Vision Glass Cleaner. This glass cleaner and coating solution offers a well-rounded performance, combining deep cleaning with advanced water-repelling technology. Its hydrophobic effect is a standout feature, causing water to bead and roll off the windshield, which significantly improves visibility during rainy conditions and enhances overall driving safety. The built-in applicator makes the process simple and efficient, allowing even coverage across the windshield in just minutes. It's especially convenient for quick maintenance without needing extra tools or complicated steps. In terms of cleaning power, it effectively removes stubborn oil film, dirt, and grime while delivering a streak-free, residue-free finish. The improved clarity helps reduce glare from headlights and sunlight, creating a more comfortable driving experience. Additionally, the long-lasting protective layer minimizes future buildup of oil and dirt, meaning less frequent cleaning is required. Its versatility is another plus, as it works well on various glass surfaces, including car windows and household glass, making it a practical and reliable all-in-one solution. Now number 4, EasyWave Clear Vision Glass Cleaner. This windshield cleaner delivers a strong balance of performance, convenience, and long-term value. Its fast-acting formula effectively cuts through stubborn oil film, grease, and road grime, leaving the glass noticeably clearer. The improved visibility and reduced glare make a real difference, especially during night driving or heavy rain. What sets it apart is its multi-surface versatility. It works just as well on car windshields and mirrors as it does on household glass, offering a consistent streak-free finish both inside and outside. The application process is straightforward. Simply apply, wait a few minutes, and rinse, making it accessible even for beginners. The added anti-fog and rain-repellent properties enhance safety by maintaining clarity in challenging weather conditions. Its compact, user-friendly design ensures easy handling and storage. A major highlight is the refillable system, which reduces waste and saves money over time. Combined with its large capacity, this makes it a practical, eco-friendly choice for regular glass maintenance. And our last choice is generic Clear Vision Windshield Cleaner. This car glass cleaner delivers reliable performance with its ability to tackle multiple types of stubborn contaminants. From oily film and water spots to built-up grime, the formula works effectively to dissolve residue and restore the glass to a clean, polished finish. It's particularly useful for maintaining windshields that are exposed to daily road conditions. A key benefit is the noticeable improvement in clarity. By removing haze and films that often cause glare, it enhances visibility and contributes to safer driving in both bright sunlight and low-light conditions. The difference is especially evident during night driving or rainy weather. The included brush adds to its practicality, featuring soft yet durable bristles that loosen dirt without scratching delicate glass surfaces. This ensures a thorough clean while protecting the integrity of your windshield and windows. Overall, it's a well-balanced solution that combines effective cleaning, safety-focused clarity, and gentle application, making it a dependable choice for regular glass maintenance. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.